caregiver course ay in-offer din po natin siya through online lab interactive class via Zoom worldwide na kahit sang bansa ka man ngayon ay pwede kang mag-aaral. Ang ICSE ay tinatag noong 2001 through the aspiration of Mr. Amir F. Muhammad, the founder of ICSE. And ICSE offer 3 levels at ang i-discuss natin ngayon ay ang level 3 at ang level 4. The level 3 are for those at least elementary graduate. At ang level 4 naman are for those at least high school graduate or above. At requirements lang sa ating course na kailangan is meron tayong basic knowledge sa paggamit ng computer, lalo na po sa Microsoft Office application, MS Word, and can communicate in basic English written or verbal form. And so of course po, no, everybody wants to be financially stable, and we all know that healthcare career is one of the most in-demand skills nowadays. And aside from the skills and knowledge, it gives us also a better future career-wise. That is why many of us want to practice this profession. At itong mga career opportunities na pwedeng maging trabaho ng isang graduate ng UK Diploma in Health and Social Care. Pwede po tayo as a social care worker or caregiver, personal health assistant, healthcare assistant, community development, health administration, charity officer, home care aide, and many more. At ito po yung ating mga requirements. Ang requirements po natin is for grade student, yung civil ID natin, front and back copy, passport copy, 2x2 or selfie picture, and school credential po natin. Any of these, yung Form 138 or diploma, TOR, at pwede siyang to follow kung di siya available sa ngayon. Pwede na po kayo makapag-enroll kahit wala pa ang inyong school credential. For international student, yung outside sa Kuwait, sa ibang bansa, is yung passport copy nyo, yung 2x2 picture nyo din, at yung school credential nyo. Pwede siyang to follow. At ito yung ating level 3. Ang level 3 are for those is high school level. Ito ay para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi nakapagtapos ng high school or at least high school level. Ito na ang pagkakataon mo na magkaroon ng diploma na UK diploma na while working abroad ay pwede kang magkaroon ng international recognized diploma from UK. At itong ating level 3 is with 60 credits siya or units. At ito yung ating mga content, ating matutunan sa course, Introduction to Health and Social Care, Communication for Health and Social Care, Promoting Health in the Population, Person-Centered Care, Elective Units, Understanding Diabetes Care, Understanding Stroke Care, Understanding Dementia Care, and available ang ating course face-to-face class for grade student. Meron tayong available Friday, Saturday schedule. And for outside Kuwait, sa ibang bansa, meron tayong online Zoom live class. Meron din tayong available Friday and Saturday schedule. At ito naman po yung ating level 4. Ano yung pinagkaiba ng level 3 sa level 4? Dito sa level 4 is meron siyang 120 credits or units. At dito is requirements na kailangan is at least high school graduate po tayo or above. At available din ang ating course through online, Zoom, or face-to-face for grade student. At ito ang ating mga course content. Magkaiba rin ang course fee for level 3 and level 4. At ito yung ating mga for face-to-face class naman for grade student, meron tayong available Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. Ito yung ating mga available schedule. So, even sa level 3 po tayo nag-start, kung tayo ay high school level lang po, pero nais natin na magdagdag ng ating units, is pwede po kayong mag-level 4 after nyo pong matapos ang level 3. It depends upon. Nakadepende po sa atin. At ito naman po yung sample ng ating diploma na matatanggap after completion of the course. You also receive your transcript of record indicating the credits and grades. And take note po, no, this is not a certificate. Although nakalagay sa header niya ay certificate, this is a diploma. Compared po sa ibang school na they are providing a certificate. Ang atin po ay diploma po siya at no expiration at recognized siya internationally. At ang awarding body po natin is Qualify. So ICSA is tied up with this awarding body for the specific course, which is the health and social care. At itong ating UK diploma is under British curriculum. Magagaling sa UK London ang diploma na matatanggap nyo. At pwede siyang ipa-evaluate sa WES or ECA at ipa-authenticate nyo sa DFA. Ay isang bansa ay pwedeng magamit. At aside from Kuwait po is we have some international student also who graduated. When we say po international student, ito po yung residing from other countries like Hong Kong, Taiwan, Qatar, Lebanon, Saudi, and Philippines, and the others po. Ito po yung ating student mula Hong Kong na nakagraduate po since we offer this course worldwide. And the good thing is meron tayong online classes to those who wanted to have a diploma, to have a credential para magamit. So ICSA can provide that. Ito naman po yung nag-enroll. Hello?
Ma?
At ito naman po yung nag-enroll po mula sa Lebanon. At ito po ang ating enrollment procedure. Madali lang po magpa-enroll. Bibigyan po kayo ng link ng inyong student consultant kung saan mag-fill up po kayo ng inyong enrollment registration. Then, ihanda nyo lang po yung mga initial requirements nyo. Send nyo lang sa WhatsApp kung sino po yung nakausap nyo, kung nag-assist sa inyo. And for the payment, kung nasa Kuwait ka, pwede ka bumisita sa aming branch sa Kuwait Cities or sa Mabula para magbayad ng inyong course fee, or pwede ka magbayad through online, mag-enroll through online, payment link, KNET, or WAMP. At kung outside Kuwait ka, sa ibang bansa ka, pwede ka magbayad through GCash, BPI, BDO, Metrobank. At itong ating learning process, yung class schedule nyo is nakadepende po yan siya kung anong level po kayo qualified, kung sa level 3 or sa level 4. At meron tayong available schedule na Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Ang ating class is once a week po siya. Plus, mentoring class can be arranged for availability of instructor. At kailangan is meron kayong laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. Kung wala kayong laptop, pwede nyo munang gamitin ang inyong mobile phone. Then, mag-download lang po kayo ng Zoom app. Through Zoom po yung ating pag-aaral. At once na maging officially enrolled po kayo, is makaka-join po kayo sa ating official WhatsApp group kung saan mag-post ang ating instructor for further announcement. At once na rin maging official student po kayo, magkakaroon po kayo ng online portal access kung saan ma-access niyo po ang inyong modules anytime, 24/7 during your free time. Pwede po kayo mag-review ng inyong modules. And for online class, yung mag-attend ng online class, kung sakaling medyo na-busy kayo or na-absent or hindi kayo naka-attend ng class, pwede nyo balikan ang class na panoorin since recorded po yung ating every online class. So, yun lang po, no? Thank you for listening po, and para sa mga katanungan and clarification, pwede na po tayo mag-unmute at magsalita po, o di kaya ay mag-chat po tayo sa chat box kung tayo ay di po pwede mag-unmute. So, any question po? Saan bansa po yung mga nag-attend po ngayon po? Hello?